Hi everyone. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through some of the basic features of Google Drive. Google Drive is an absolutely amazing program for creating collaborative documents. So no more worrying about versioning and who has the most recent version, because we can all see the most recent version at any point. First thing I want to point out to you is that under New, there are actually several different types of documents that you can create in Drive. There are Docs, which is just a word processing. There's Google Sheets, which is a spreadsheet. There's Google Slide, which is like a PowerPoint, but you don't want to miss this More button because there's some amazing stuff in here as well that you want to take a look at. Google Forms is for sending out surveys to people. Google Drawings is for actually creating drawings or flowcharts, that kind of thing. We've got maps and sites in here as well, and I have a couple of plugins even that give me additional document types. And all of these documents can be shared and co-created with other people. So I'm going to jump into a Drive document to point out a couple of features that maybe you haven't seen before. So first, I'm going to copy and paste some just generic text in here so that we have something to work with. And then I'm going to show you kind of how we can collaborate here. So if I'm clicking on a particular area of the text, I can click on Insert and then Comment, and then add something along the lines of, I'm not sure about this one. Note that I can also tag someone in this. So if I type in the at symbol, and then an email address, it will give me a variety of email addresses that I can actually tag someone in it and make sure that somebody actually sees that comment and perhaps replies to it as well. Now, at this point, I am the only one who can see this document because I haven't shared it with anyone. So this comment is just for me at this point. But if I want to, I can go ahead and share it. I can even say, get a shareable link and say, well, anyone with the link can view, or anyone with the link can comment, or anyone can edit. Be careful about edit because you only really want to share that with people who are truly collaborating with you. They're changing this main text of the document. Otherwise, you might want to just change it to anyone can comment. I can copy that link and then share it with anyone. But I also have the option to enter somebody in particular's name and share it with them as well, and then change whether they can edit, comment, or view there. So typically I will share with, when I'm sharing with a whole class, I will share that anyone with the link can comment or can view, and then I can kind of go from there. So we have these comment features here. Now, one of the things that's really cool is if we're in Google Docs at the same time, I have the option to actually talk to other people while we are editing. So that feature will actually only show if someone else is in this doc. But if someone else is in here, I can open up chat and then I can do an instant message with a student. So what's fantastic about that is if I set up an editing appointment with a student and we're both in Google Docs at the same time, we can be chatting on the right-hand side about the document. And kind of I say, you know, maybe I'd really like to see more detail in this sentence. And I can even highlight it so that they can see that. And then they're going to actually go in and edit, and I'm going to be able to see them editing and can give them real-time feedback on how that editing is going. So Google Docs is not just a spot where we can co-create and co-comment, but we can also do some asynchronously. We can also do some synchronous editing and sharing as well inside of Google Drive. A really fantastic option for managing projects and being able to see students' progress.